Okay, so let's quickly unbox this Funsnap Capture 3 gimbal. We received all the way from China. Okay, just a moment here. Okay. It's very hard to open. Take it from the top here. So from the main box, there's another box inside. So let me just do this with two hands real quick. Okay, there we go. Finally got it out of the box. And so it's the Funsnap Capture 3 3-axis gimbal. So it's another delivery day unboxing for us. So it has maximum 8 hours. Battery time, Bluetooth control, pan shot, quick vertical horizontal switch, time lapse, and zoom. So this is a company that's working with Xiaomi to come up with these products. Let's take a peek at what we have inside. Okay. So we have a plastic encasement for the gimbal. Okay. It's covered in like a suede texture. I don't know if you can see that here. And here's the actual gimbal. In the box you have the basic instructional manual, hopefully in English. Yep. Basic operation steps of capture. Let's put that aside. And we have a small counterweight. And we have a USB charger. And we have the actual gimbal. Let's see if I can take it out. Up. So yeah, we have a remote here. And power it on. Some kind of joystick. And a trigger button in front. So if there's a battery inside, so when I press it, as you can see, it's trying to calibrate itself. So vibrating. I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that. Okay. So it's supposed to have a battery inside here. Let's see if we can take it out. So the good thing why I chose this as well is because it has removable batteries. So as you can see here, it's your regular e-cig batteries. So that should help us in utilizing this product longer, since it has replaceable batteries. Please use the replaceable ones. Okay, pretty good kit that we have here. See if there's anything else under the box. Nothing else. We have the counterweight, the gimbal itself, the charger, and of course the battery inside. And that's all within the package. So I'll be doing a quick test on this as well and a review. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me on this delivery day unboxing. See you on my next video.